Since we already know who are the contacts in the CRM and how they appear there, let's understand how to distinguish the contacts and subscribers. So, on your left hand, you can see the filters, and let's understand what each of these means. Let's start from the first filter, which is called All Contacts. This filter displays all the contacts and subscribers that you have in the CRM. Active subscription, the contacts who have one or more active subscriptions to a free collection. Expired subscription, contacts that do not have any subscriptions at the moment, but have one or more expired subscription. Pending subscriptions, contacts who have not yet confirmed their free subscription that was sent to them for the complimentary subscription campaign. No subscription, those contacts who do not have any active subscription at the moment. Purchase subscription, contacts who have one or more active paid subscription. Purchase publication, contacts who have at least one standalone publication purchased. Unsubscribed from collection, contacts who have unsubscribed from your collections. Unsubscribed, contacts who have unsubscribed from your email campaigns. Unsorted, here you will find the contacts' email addresses that are not grouped in any of your lists. And finally, bounced, contacts that could not receive any emails to their inboxes due to the following reasons. Their mailbox is full, the email address is invalid, there is a corporate firewall that does not allow receiving emails. You can also filter the subscribers using the advanced search option and find subscribers based on their subscription date and cycle. The campaign that was sent to them, the email address that contains some words, the date when they appeared in the CRM. For example, if you want to find all those contacts and subscribers whose email address contains Joomag, you can type in the subscriber field Joomag and click enter. As you could see, the system brought all the results that contained Joomag. You can also create a list from existing filters. Click Create.